Welcome back. So now in this movie we are going to design our type lockup logo. Well, it is based on characters and it will also going to follow our SAMUT principle, that is SAMUT. You already know about it. Okay. So now I go to file, I go to new, and if you want then you can just rename it to be like a type logo. Okay, and you can see there's a width is 960 pixel and height is 560 pixels. So now I just keep it same, that is 960 pixel to 560 pixels. Okay, and I hit OK, and now here you can see here's our canvas and I press Ctrl 0 to zoom in. So now we are going to design logo for a company that is called Editor. Well, it is kind of a stationery company and they told me they want a logo that is based on that editor, and they told me you can make however you want but it should be look so pretty. Okay, so that's a fictional company, so it's my choice. So I'm going to design it in type lockup logo. Okay, so it is based on characters like editor, so we'll put some shapes over there to look very unique. Okay, so if you want then you can just go ahead and you can just sketch it out, but I have already sketched it and I'm just going to design our final logo. Okay, so how I'm going to make that logo? Well, first of all what I do, I go to text tool because this is a text based logo. Okay, so I just click here and type here editor. Okay, this is our editor, and what I do, I just go to here, I just make it 100 pixels big. Okay, that's look really nice. And for the character I keep it same, that is Myrit Pro. Okay, and if I pronounce is wrong then I'm sorry for that. So fine, this is our editor text, and now I just bring it here. There we go. And now I'm going to replace that I with my pencil art, so it actually represents that you can edit it, so they are like, editor. So that's why I'm going to draw a pencil here. So for that what I do, I go here, I go to rectangle and I make a rectangle, I think this much big. Yeah, that's really nice. And now what I do, I just once again go here and I grab star tool and I click here, and I need a triangle. You can see this is 3, so this is what exactly I need because I need a triangle. So I click OK and it's okay for me. So now what I do, I just rotate it to be this. Here you go. Okay, and you can press your shift key and you can rotate it, it's 180 degree. Okay, so now what I do, I just bring it here. Here we go. You can see there's a guide showing me, you can see. So I just keep it same, and now what I do, I hold on my shift key and I just make it this much big. I think this much big. Okay, that's really nice. So now let's design our cap. For that what I do, I go to pen tool. I know what, if you want to be a logo designer, a professional designer, then you must need to know about this pen tool because this is gonna save you huge amount of time. I know what, if you are just beginning with pen tool, it will going to be a headache for you. It is really frustrating to just learn from very beginning, and if you are a beginner then it will surely, it will going to make you like, slap yourself. But don't worry about it, just go ahead and practice it, and definitely it's going to be a huge and great fun for you. So let me show you how. So first of all I go here and let's design a cap. For that I just click here and I go here. I can see there's my guide. I click here and hold it down and I just take it here. You can see this is gonna be make a cap, and I just go here. I can see this is really nice. And now once again I go here, click here, and now here and here, and just close it down and we're done. So now you can see our cap is ready. So now you can see that, and now let's bring it down. Here we go. I think this is really nice. Yeah, let's make it a little bit up. Nice. So now here's our pencil ready. Now what I do, I just select all of it. Okay, and you can see this 1 2 3. Well, let's make it one shape. For that I just select all of it, go to object, go to compound path and click make, and you can press Ctrl 8. You can do that. Okay, it's a shortcut. So I press it, and now you can see this is our single shape. That's really what we want. Now what I do, I just make it thin like this much. Okay, and I just make it like, just this much height. I mean, this is gonna be really nice. Cool. And now I bring it here, and now what I do, I just grab my text tool and I just get rid of this eye because we don't need eye anymore. Okay, so now what I do, I just bring it here, and you can see this is too thick, so I make it thin. Here we go. Now little bit more. Here we go. That's look really nice, and I just make it, I think, there we go. Yeah, that's look really nice. Okay, you can see it. Cool. So now if you want, then you can just make it a little bit of more. And now here you can see there's an editor ready. Okay, so what I do, I just go here and I click here, Control A to select all, and let's make it, I think, this color. Okay, this is gonna be really looks nice. Cool. And now for this one, I really like to give it a pencil color, this one. That's look really nice. If you want, then you can just a little bit make it white. I think this much, very little bit. Wow, that's really looking nice. So now here you can see our logo is ready. Okay, so now what you can do, you can just go ahead and just make it this, and now our logo is ready. So you can see there's a type-based logo and this is unique. So now let's take a look that it's follow our summit principle. So it is simple. Well, of course, this is really very simple, very nice. So this aesthetic, I mean, it's look good. Well, it's really look good, you can see it. So now, is this unique, memorable? Well, definitely, because it's not totally based on text. Okay, you can see there's a shape, so it is unique and memorable. It is scalable. Well, you can check it out by just scaling it. Here we go. You see, nice. Yes. And now let's make it small and take a look. That's how it's looking small. There we go. And wow, this is scalable. Cool. So now the fifth and last one is just timeless. Well, definitely, because pencil is a symbol of editing, so this is gonna be a timeless. So it is follow our 5 Simon principle. Good. So now it is a sign that you have designed a good logo. Congratulations. So thank you so much for joining me in this movie. See you in the next module.